Detail world, what it do, man? We out here at this first stop. Running super behind, 'cause I had to take the kids to school. Then I had to take my oldest daughter to Paul Mitchell for an interview. So I didn't get to my first stop till like 10. I'm already running late to the second stop. Supposed to be at 11. It's like 10:50. Here I go record. But anyway, man, like I said, I already did the other side of the car. You know what I mean? It's already nice and clean over there. But we gonna go ahead and watch this side. Still need to do the interior. Like I said, we're gonna have to put an ad on Facebook soon saying I'm hiring. Definitely gonna be needing some help. It's gonna start getting hot out here and everything, and me just out here by myself definitely ain't gonna cut it. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and finish this exterior of the car. Like I said, if you see all the road grime right there, look at the wheels are dirty and everything. Interior pretty dirty. You know, the typical debris, like always, the sticks, the twigs, little dog hair, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. You know, things like that, you know, cup holders, monitors, wipe down all the panels, you know, wipe down these doors. You know, well, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and finish this exterior first. If you look, it's a little bit of dog hair. I'm waiting for the camera to focus in, but if you see the little dog hair right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all down, wipe all the seats, vacuum this real nice and clean, and get it up to par, get it up to quality standards of Your Way Mobile. But like always, man, I want everybody to go hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, hit that like, hit them shares, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about the last past videos. I just posted a vlog of a detailer 104 yesterday with everything. And then I've been noticing we're doing all these shorts on YouTube. These shorts been helping me get some subscribers. I picked up like 12 subscribers yesterday. So man, I appreciate everybody who been hitting that subscribe button. But like always, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man? We just finished this Cadillac Escalade. Like I said, it took me a little bit longer than what I thought because I'm solo dolo. But yeah, it's all knocked out. Interior, exterior, you see it got a nice little shine. Spray waxed it, even though it definitely needs a wax. Definitely need to tell these people they need a wax. But like I said, interior came out nice and clean. Everything, seats, you know, cup holders, panels, carpet, floor mats. So everything came out nice and clean. Windows, all the windows are clean. Things like that. So yeah, man, we about to head to this next stop, which is probably about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes from here. And yeah, that's what it is, man. We didn't take any shots of me washing the car or anything like that because I'm pressed for time. I hate when I'm pressed for time. Like I say, taking the kids to school was a 40-minute track plus. Include me taking her to Paul Mitchell plus traffic altogether. Took about an hour and 20 minutes. That literally don't usually take about 30 minutes. But appreciate y'all, man. We're gonna head to the next stop. Hit the subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, turn on notifications, and I'll get back with y'all later. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man? We just finished this Kia Soul. I know I didn't get any shots prior to. I was, like I told you earlier, I was running behind, so I'm trying to catch up. I think they got 2 or 3 more vehicles for me here, so I can kind of do a little bit more shots. I can get a little bit more shots of me cleaning it, spraying it, foam washing it, vacuuming. But like I said, that first stop I was pressed for time. I was about literally an hour and 15 minutes behind. So yeah, like right now, like I said, we didn't finish this Kia Soul. We didn't knock out the exterior, interior. The interior always pretty clean because it's just her in this car. It's like she don't really have anybody in here. I don't even think she let her dog in here because I rarely ever see traces of dog hair. But the car came out well, and if you look in the back, she got the seats laid down. So it's not really much I can do back there, but I did vacuum the floor and things like that. But I just hit this car with a slight bit of spray wax. So if you look at it, kind of like a clean sheen to it. But other than that, man, park this car, give her her keys, get the next car, start on that one. And then like always, man, do what you gotta do. Cause I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Hit the subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them shares, and I'll catch y'all at the next car. Peace. All right, detail world, what it do, man? We just finished this Honda CR-V. Wasn't too much crazy. We just had to do an interior, exterior cleaning. So basically, we finished with this car. I think we got one more car here. But like I said, we already knocked out the interior, already knocked out the exterior. Looking real clean. She's gonna be really enthused. Really wasn't that dirty, you know. A lot of these customers over here don't even have any children and such, so you know what I mean. Don't really have to worry about a lot of debris, things like that. Definitely don't put the pets in the car, so it was just, you know, just usually debris in the front seat for where her and her husband sit. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock out these interior windows. The rest of the car done, except for the interior windows. I'm gonna go ahead, pull the other car around, do that car. But like always, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you do what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button. I ain't gonna say the rest, and I'll catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man? What it do? We just finished this ACURA TL, man. I had one more to do here, but the lady who braided my hair told me she got an appointment for today because she was going to be out of town the rest of the week. So I'm going to let these people know I can come back tomorrow, another day this week. So I'm going to get my hair braided. It's about that time. Like I said, we just did the interior, exterior of this car. It's the ACURA TL. I love these cars, but you know, it's always your typical debris, which is all up. We got it looking all nice and spiffy in here, wipe down the console, seats, things of that nature. You know, the typical. In most cars we clean unless it's a full detail or a wax job or things like that. But like I say, when we get this shop soon, we'll be doing a little bit more extensive work. But man, sorry to make the video so short today. Didn't pull out the drone, didn't use the GoPro. Like I said, pressed for time. Pulling out the GoPro and the drone takes a little bit more time for me to do what I need to do. So being pressed for time, I had to sacrifice getting that extra quality of footage. But I'll make sure tomorrow with the work I got tomorrow and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday, I'll make sure that I pull out the drone and the GoPro, get a little bit more exclusive footage and the coolest shots and stuff. But other than that, man, like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with your friends, and definitely let me know what y'all think about the work I'm doing or what I need to do to improve or what I'm doing that y'all like. And other than that, man, I hope y'all have a blessed day and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.